Hello students. Previously we have discussed about electric flux density. So now we will discuss about the one of the example, that is on electric flux density. Find electric flux density at a point having a distance 3 meter from a uniform line charge of 8 nanocoulomb per meter lying on the z-axis in the free space. So we want to find D at a point having a distance 3 meter from uniform line charge of 8 nanocoulomb per meter lying along the z-axis in a free space. The formula is this one: E is equal to rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught rho A rho. So D will be just epsilon naught is removed, that will be equal to rho L is given 8 into 10 raised to minus 9 divided by 2 pi rho A rho. So this will be 1.273 into 10 raised to minus 9 divided by rho A rho coulombs per meter square. Now for the value of rho is equal to 3, put the value of rho is equal to 3 here. So the value of D will get as 4.244 into 10 raised to minus 10 A rho coulombs per meter square, or it can be written as 0.424 A rho nano coulombs per meter square. So hence this is an example on electric flux density at a point charge due to a uniform line charge distributed along the z-axis. Right. Now one more problem we will see here. Calculate D at a point P 6, 8 minus 10 produced by uniform surface charge density with rho S is equal to 57.2 microcoulomb per meter square on the plane X is equal to 9. So this problem is also on electric flux density due to uniform surface charge. So rho S is given, point is given. Now equation here, E is equal to rho S by 2 pi epsilon naught an, D is equal to rho S by 2 an. 57.2 into 10 raised to minus 6 is rho S divided by 2 an, so it will give 28.6 an microcoulomb per meter square. Now at point P you can observe also the surface how it is distributed. In figure it is available, that is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So like this a figure is distributed. X is equal to 9 is a plane, then point is P. So at point P we get an is equal to minus ax because it is lying on that plane. So therefore D is equal to minus 28.6 ax microcoulomb per meter square. Right. So this is what electric flux density at a point P produced due to the uniform surface charge density with the rho S value 57.2 microcoulomb per meters on the plane X is equal to 9.